Not entirely sure if I'm gonna come back until Christmas.
Really?
Yeah, why not? This guy's charged up. This guy's my type of guy. Yeah. Oh my God.
Get your ass home for dinner. 2 o'clock.
Yeah, whatever. I'm just loading up my sleigh. About to stand or spend 2 days on a lake. What? Oh, baby, Lakewood, let's go! Oh, the scope. Booyah, baby! All right, let's go try a new lake. Oh yeah, nothing to it. Now that is a solid chunk of ice. All right, guys, we are out on a new lake today. It's officially real ice season. We should have some very thick ice now. And I've also got a very new auger for this, the Ion Alpha. Let's see how it works. That was awesome. Wow. Zero effort. All right, guys, as I said, I'm out here today checking out a new lake, and the goal is lake trout. I'm about to drop down this tube here I just tied on. Good news, first holes I drilled, I've already marked fish, started jigging, and actually had 2 chase like lake trout. So yeah, that is a very good sign. The goal today is to do some camping. I may camp out for 2 full days. So right now, it's trying to find the right spot to set up all of the gear and lock myself down for a couple of days. Yeah, fish on. Oh yeah, good fish. Oh yeah, no. Of course that happened. God dang it. It started to snow pretty aggressively here. I've been moving around the lake, drilled a bunch of holes, and this spot specifically seems to be the best. I've seen 10 to 15 fish here, all being Lakers. They've been chasing the bait. I've got 1 to hook up. Unfortunately, I lost that one while trying to get the live scope out of the hole. But anyways, I think this is probably the area I'm going to set up my hut for the night. I don't know when I'm going to do that because I'm not leaving a hole if there's active fish, so that's a later problem. Right now, it's time to get a lake trout on the ice. Yeah. Oh, we got him at the hole. Oh, he's on the ice. Oh yeah. What? What in the world? What? No way. Oh my God. What? What the heck? All right, guys. First fish of the trip. A largemouth bass out of 40 feet of water. Insane. I never would have expected that to be the fish that was chasing this bait. So sweet. So cool. These are out of season, of course, so time to put them back. Yeah, it ended up hitting this tube jig. So cool. What a catch. What a random catch. Hello.
Hey, you're it.
Tag. Oh yeah, phone tag.
Ah,
I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna come back until Christmas.
really?
Yeah, why not?
Well, yes. As long as you're here for dinner.
Yeah, whatever.
Get your ass home for dinner. 2 o'clock.
Yeah, whatever.
It's starting to snow here. Do you have any snow?
Oh, it's coming down hard here. Oh! Is he? Oh, he's coming. Oh no! Yeah! No! Oh, are you fucking kidding me? My fucking rod is freezing up. God damn it. No! Oh, that's the one. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Oh, I got him to bite. Oh. Oh. Who's this? Is this him again? Will he bite again? I don't think I got hooks on him. It was a big fish, man. Oh, this shit is pissing me off. This is hard fishing. Oh my god, this thing needs to get the fuck out of the way. I got 2 rod holders. Oh. Yes. What do we got? Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, not today. We ain't losing. No, no. Ah, I almost had it. Ah, I was at the hole. Dang it. Ah. Gloves are soaked. No. I even hit it with my hand. This is tough. This is tough. You can't see it. This is hard fishing. Okay, we need to get right back down there. Oh, it's really snowing. It's really snowing. Well, it has turned into basically a snowstorm out here this afternoon. I can see the islands behind me, but I can't see the shore where my truck is. And due to the snow, it's causing me to struggle with fishing. I've lost a fish now because my rod was iced up. I couldn't set the hook properly. And then again here, I just lost one. I actually stuck my hand in the hole and touched the fish, slapped it against the ice, but it got away still. Dang, this would have been an epic day if I would have got all those fish in. But yeah. Anyways, I need to go get the hut soon and start getting set up because I'm getting snowed out here. Everything is just covered. I'm covered. But the fish are biting, so I can't stop. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, this might not happen. He's melting the snow, freezing. And oh, Lord. That was a pretty tough afternoon. Just trying to get this all set up. Dragging the gear out here was excruciating. The snow made it so much harder to pull that sleigh. Oh, and then my gear is soaked. Everything is covered in snow, ice. It's been an afternoon. The fishing was wild though. Like, if this lake is like this all the time, I may have found one of my new favorite lakes to go to. But yeah, we'll have to find out tomorrow. I think the fishing is probably gonna die out now that the sun is set. But who knows? We might get a random cruiser that'll bite a minnow. But I'm gonna just have a snack and chill out for a second before we finished getting everything in the tent set up. Oh, ow. Ow. Everything just went to shit. Yeah. Oh, I hope that thing still works. Oh. Sorry, guys. It's been a little while since I've last updated you guys. I got the diesel heater pumping now, switched into some comfy clothes. I had a whole meal planned for tonight, but honestly, I don't have the energy. Hauling this gear out here, that's about enough for me. I had a little bit of sushi for a snack there a couple hours ago and don't have much of an appetite. So anyways, I'm gonna have the pho I brought for one of my lunches, and we'll save the dinner for possibly tomorrow night. But yeah, I'm gonna get that into me, and then we're probably gonna call it a day. Good morning, y'all. I ended up just passing out right after I had the pho last night. I did just go to scroll on my phone, and then I fell asleep. But yeah, I'm already marking fish this morning, which is a good sign. But unfortunately, I am in a pool. There's enough water here that it's actually coming up through the cracks of the pads I have down in the floor. So I think I'm just going to move my whole situation, pack down the snow to insulate the ice, and yeah, that's how I'm going to start my morning. I want to be kind of set up so that when these fish are ready to bite, I'm on them. Eat that fucking thing, bro. Oh! Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're hooked up. Oh, yeah. Let's be nice at the hole. Let's be nice at the hole. Let's be nice at the hole. Let the rod do the work. Another bass. What in the world? Just moving camp, decided to set up a rod, and immediately another bass. Gotta put her back. You're never gonna. All right, it has taken me a while to get dialed in today. I doubt I'm even dialed in at this point, but I'm closer than I was. Okay. Sorry, there's a fish on screen here. I've made myself some lunch. I skipped breakfast, of course, and we're finally getting some coffee into me. So hopefully that gets the fish going, because it's gonna get me going. Yeah, we're still looking for a lake trout. That is my goal here. I've never got one through the ice. Really want to get one. Oh, they might get one right now. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Oh, he was on it. He was on it. He's coming back up. He's coming back up. Come on. Come on. He's still on it. I did not catch the lake trout right there, but it's coming. It is coming. What the hell? Oh my God! What in the fuck is this? Oh my God. All right, I've never seen anything quite like this. Another beautiful bass. This is my PB smallmouth for sure. I don't know, that's in the 4 to 5 pound range for sure. That's amazing. I can't believe it. I've got to get it back in the hole here, but what a beautiful fish. That's so cool. Look at the size of this thing. It is huge. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, it's got it in the hole. Sorry, bud. Wow. Come on, back in the hole. Relax. Relax. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's catching fish, man. Yeah, oh no, not a good deal. Not a good deal. Gonna lose the fish. Oh. Well, it's wrapped around the transducer. Oh my God, it's a friggin' huge small or largemouth. What the heck is going on here? That's insane. This is the best bass fishing I've ever had in my life. Jesus. That is crazy. Well, there you go. There was a live catch for you. Oh my God, no way. What the hell? This is crazy. Okay, chill, chill, chill. Chill, chill, chill. This is literally the best bass fishing I've ever had in my life. Right now, I'm in 33 feet of water. Now, smallmouth are kind of known to be in that kind of area, but wow, what a beautiful specimen. Another one like 3.5 pounds, maybe 4. Like, wow. Unreal. All right, I've made my way back to my little camp here. Did some exploring, and again, I caught a ton of bass now. 4 or 5 for sure. And my PB smallmouth. I've caught a smallmouth similar size, but I don't think it's fat, years and years ago before I ever started doing YouTube. Didn't get a weight on it, obviously. Had to put it right back right away. But what a beautiful fish. Makes me wonder if it was smallmouth instead of lake trout. Like, the fish have really been acting like lake trout. But I was just talking to a guy here who stopped by, and he said the lake trout population struggles around here. They do stock it, but I would assume from a strong bass population, some pike, they definitely get fed on. So anyways, he did say that the ones that do get caught tend to be big. So that's my hopes here for the last hour of the day. Yesterday around this time, it was very active, so I'm hoping for the same type of action right now. And then I've got to decide what my plan is for the night. Was intending on staying the night, but I'm really dreading waking up on Christmas morning. It's Christmas Eve right now, and dragging all of this gear back to the truck. So I might start tonight and see how ambitious I really am. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, he got off. He got off. He got off. Damn. Damn. Felt good too. Is he still hungry? He's still hungry. This guy's charged up. This guy's my type of guy. Yeah. Yeah. No way. Oh my God. This is my type of fish. Oh my God. Oh, what? Oh my God. No way. Boom. All right. Here again, another massive smallmouth. Look at the size of this thing. It is just crazy. I just lost it on the minnow on my little tip up here. I had it halfway up. It started chasing back down, so I just started jigging with my jig here. This is crazy. What a freaking fish, man. Wow. I don't even need to stick my arms out for this one. Tanks. Oh, you're back in the water. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Yeah. Wow. That is so crazy, man. What a fish. As you can see, I did not end up staying the second night. the night before when I had pulled all the gear down to set up, it was so hard to pull that gear in that we had doubled the amount of snow in that time, so I was expecting to have to take 3 to 4 trips to get all of my gear back to the truck. When I went to make that first trip, I then found out that I had to flip over the Smitty sled, knock a bunch of ice off the skis, and it ended up being way easier. But once I did that first trip, I was like, yeah, no, the best thing to do is get yourself home, sleep in your own bed tonight, wake up Christmas morning, and be able to go visit your family. The last thing I wanted to do is run into an issue on Christmas morning and I'm stranded on some lake. It was time. But yeah, what a trip. I'm on a mission to catch lake trout. As you could see from this entire video, I kept saying it. Lake trout have a specific way of attacking. They are a very predatory fish, and they do it like a cat and mouse game. They will literally chase from 80 feet to the ice. Sometimes they'll get uninterested. You click open your bail, drop the lure back down, and they'll start chasing again. They re-engage. It's a very unique style of fishing, but due to this day, I was kind of unsure if maybe smallmouth do similar things. Like I don't fish for bass in the winter ever, and I've never caught them before in the winter. Now, a lot of the fish I did catch ended up coming off of the bottom and maybe coming up 5 feet. I'm not quite like the fish I had higher in the water column chasing like lake trout. So honestly, I don't know. It was a very strange couple days. I've never, as I said, caught bass before, and I was on a pile of very good bass. And I kept moving around. I couldn't get away from them. I definitely wasn't targeting them. And honestly, I thought it was an oddity that I caught the first couple, and then it just kept happening. So yeah, I really don't know how to explain it. But anyways, I am packing up right now. My living room is absolutely full of gear. I'm getting ready to go on 5 or 6 day trip. I'm leaving for 5 or 6 days. The goal is Lakers. Hopefully I can knock that out day 1. That'd be sweet. But I'm going to just keep bouncing legs, learn more new bodies of water, and hopefully catch a bunch of fish. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, just keep going, one day at a time.